Hello, welcome to part 2 of Demystifying OCI pricing and cost management. So last time, as you can remember, I exported the costs that I was supposed to have by creating those resources in OCI. But now let's say I want to extend those machines. So what I can do in here, I can click import, drag and drop, and the data that was exported in JSON format can be imported back in here. So if I want to add additional data to my environment, I can go and I can do it right now. So I can click, let's say I want to take an autonomous database. In here, I will go with included, license included for this one. And at this point, I don't need cross-regional data guard, or I don't need a dedicated one, because a dedicated one it's a little bit more expensive. Okay, so I'll go with an ATP. The metric I will use is CPU, the new metric that will replace the OCPU. And the billing, it's individual database, or I can go with a resource pool, but this is also more expensive because I'm going to use the full capabilities that are in there and all the resources. Okay, so I'll also add that. So as you can see, the price increased. Again, I think I had an issue with my mic on my previous video. So in here I was saying, if you're going to click on these three dots, you can export them, and you can export this data in Excel format, or you can select the same. You can go back in here and you can export it in CSV format or in JSON format. Now, basically, we know how much it's gonna cost us, but if we want to go and see how much we're gonna use effectively, we need to go to OCI. We need to click on the hamburger menu, and from there we need to go to billing and cost management. In this menu, if we're gonna click on cost analysis, we should be able to have a view of how much resources we have used in our tenancy and how much they are costing. Please ignore the zero that you're seeing in here. This is not using almost anything, so that's why we have this. But as an idea, if I had more block storages in this tenancy, I should see, let's say, $1 per day, or if I have compute $2 per day, and so on, and everything will be, let's say, calculated. On 12th of January, I have a total of this, and this is the individual ones. Also, if I'm looking in here for a full amount just for block storage, this is the amount that I'm paying. Now, I can do other things. I can add an additional tab, and in that additional tab I want to see how much data I am using in a compartment. Okay, so I can go one root level, two root levels, and so on. And I also can go and I put the column per service. So let's give it this in here. So this service, the cost analysis was changed, was updated all the time, so you have a lot of new options in here. Now you can click this, you can create it as a report. So we have created a report based on the data that you want. In here you have the start date, and also you have, let's say, the end date of this report that I want to do it. I can select also granularity. Let's say if I'm going and select per years, so I think at a certain point in 2022 I had some data. Okay, so let me put it in here. Okay, maximum 2022. Let's go to 2023. I think I have that 366. No, I need to go to the 1st of April. Okay, let's go to 1st of March.